Oh shit! Hey! Hey! Put it down! Put it down! Put it down! Put it down! Get on the ground! Put your hands on your back now! Get on the ground! Do that move! Don't move! Chill out! Get on the ground! You're fine! You're fine! Relax!
That's the code 3 taser.
I hate you! I fucking hate you! I swear to God! I swear to God!
Stop!
He's been back several times.
I swear to God!
Hey, you're sitting down. Hey, listen to me. Listen to me. Hey, stop. I'm rolling you over.
I hate you!
You're sitting on your butt. On your butt.
I hate you! I hate you!
Stop.
I fucking hate you! Fuck you, bitch! I'm gonna kill you!
You're done. You're done.
The most we could do is like pack it and keep it secured. You know what I mean?
So let's go to the hospital.
Take your time, man.
Yeah, anything on
I'm
your
good.
face. How you doing? You need a
I'm
blood
good.
pressure checker?
Yeah, I mean, I'll roll the window down so you get an eye on it.
1337. My eye, man!
Lean up towards me,
Yeah, I got shit on me.
Yeah, there's like... Yeah, it's underneath, but those probes are pretty long. So it's probably gonna... It's gonna be right underneath the eye, so that's gonna hurt like a bitch. How old is he?
I hate her, bro.
I've just been fighting him the whole day.
18.
Perfect.
Restraining order on my mama, bro.
So are you guys
I don't like her ass.
No.
I hate you, bitch.
The long sleeve gray shirt.
Yeah, you got it?
Keep an eye on him for a second, please. I mean, it doesn't matter at this point.
or whatever, and I asked him where he got that from. He said his friend.
Okay.
And he smokes marijuana.
Okay.
The little girl is the one who did all the
But nothing else that you
not
know
him,
of.
not him.
Any other medical problems like cardiac, breathing?
Nothing other than
anything?
G6PD. And
G6PD?
yeah.
For sleep?
It's like a glucose
Yeah.
blood this thing.
Okay.
But other than his mental illness, no other health issues.
Perfect.
Was there-
Sounds good.
You might have already gone over this.
Thank you.
Was there any fighting in the room physically with anybody?
No, the little girl got mad at me because I told them to clean the room. It was trash. I said, clean this room. I've been out working all day. Like, this room should not be looking like this. He got upset. She got upset with me and started busting everything in the room. So I said that I was calling the police because the room is in my name. I should not have to be reliable for you sitting up here getting upset with me for saying to clean the room.
Yeah. Alright, you guys all stay in the room or just them two?
Yes.
Yes, what?
We all stay in this room.
Okay, is this his phone?
Yes.
Okay. So why was he coming after you with, was it a golf club?
No, the broomstick. Because he got mad at me because I called the police.
Okay.
He needs his medication.
Alright, well he's getting charged with you. Because he came after you with a broomstick. And your mom.
I'm getting charged?
No, he is.
Oh, okay.
Whether you want to press charges or not,
Okay.
it's domestic.
Okay.
And based on the situation, he got tased and he's got resisting charges.
I understand.
So he's getting the...
I just didn't want them to hurt her. I wanted to let them
Yeah,
know
no, I got it.
Yeah.
That's why I just had a leg lock
I'm
on
not
him.
against what you're saying.
Yeah, I just had a leg lock on him.
He needs
I thought it was a
stability.
golf club.
Yeah,
So-
it's just a broomstick.
Alright. Are you...
She's been read and then added on the call.
Are we doing anything with her? I got him. Let me find out. Let me worry about him. We'll talk to my supervisor about you. What did you do in the hotel room?
She smacked the mirror. She was not.
Okay, that's it?
That's it. That's it.
But what's
So-
that?
It was not intentionally.
Okay. Well, listen, I have no issue with you right now. I just want to make sure we don't have a vandalism charge on you, okay?
That's
Let
it.
me
Like
just
I
find
said.
out what else is going on. Other than that, you're good, okay? Are you pregnant? Okay, how far? Okay. Were you doing anything with the female?
I don't even know what charges we have on her other than criminal mischief to the room.
I mean, that's kind of up for the hotel with the deposit and shit.
I mean,
I'll ask
yes and
Mom.
No, it's obviously intentional to do it.
Yeah, she said it. She said it wasn't.
It's definitely not an incidental.
She
say she intentionally punched?
I mean,
No.
I don't think she tripped and fell.
She said whatever happened was unintentional.
She said she got mad and threw a punch, but it was next to.
So he never hit you or anything like that before?
Yes, he.
Today?
No, not today. No.
Okay. All right. Well, he's still getting the charge today for you for coming after you with the broom.
Okay.
And where is this other girl? They got her?
Yes.
Okay. Anybody else in the room?
No.
Okay. Did they get your info? Name, date of
Went
birth?
over the phone. They did.
No. Okay.
Nobody.
Do you have your
asked.
ID? Can I just grab that? Or do you, is
Look,
vehicle?
can I get it out the car?
Is that is it registered to you?
Yeah.
I can get here. Don't go over there. He's all wild
No,
up.
it's my wife. Can you get my
Her ID?
get it out of my wallet, please? Am I in trouble?
No. Yeah, it's just he got the taser and with him moving around though.
Oh, I
it
know.
It's right. It's like right here.
It is you.
So well, he's got to go to the hospital. So we'll be there all night. You're right. It will heal.
Let me tell you one thing about me. When a person,
Your coochie push?
yeah. When my child is wrong, I admit to it. I've been dealing with him for years. When you look him up, his juvenile, he had battery on, Leo, and everything in Port Orange. He's deemed incompetent. That's how bad it is with me and him, you know? And he hasn't been on his medication. Like, if you look through the system, he's literally deemed incompetent.
And they put it on credit cards, but she might get the vandalism charge. I don't know. I'm worried about him.
Right.
Because he was like, I saw him.
Yeah, when he couldn't catch me, he just said, bam, and hit the car.
They don't want to pursue further damage.
Wait a
And saw on
minute,
the
why
affidavit.
so they don't want to charge her with it?
No, we're charging your
son. No.
Your son's going to jail.
Yeah.
How old is this? Well, he's not going to jail.
But
The judge
that's
The
what
judge
they're
can,
not-
yeah.
Yeah, but I'm saying they're not charging her.
Well, we're going to work on that because I don't think they quite understand the extent of the damage. So I'm going to go show them and see if they want to.
You got one of them that can come over here?
I'm not.
I'll have. Hey, LaFleur. Come here.